Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Mirza bin Muhammad Asri and my matric card number is 01DKA 22F1094. There is several objectives that we want to accomplish. The first one, to select one location with a conflict junction. Second, to determine and illustrate the conflict point at the junction. Third, to analyze the problem at the junction. Fourth, to suggest and redesign the junction to reduce the problem. And lastly, to identify the defect on the pavement. Before we go through our discussion, we have to understand what is traffic management. Traffic management in the field of civil engineering refers to the planning, design, and implementation of measures and strategies to control and optimize the flow of vehicular and pedestrian traffic on roadways and transportation networks. It encompasses a wide range of activities and consideration to ensure the safe and the efficient movement of people and goods within a given area. Overall, traffic management in civil engineering is a multidisciplinary field that aims to balance transportation needs with safety, efficiency, and environmental sustainability within a given urban or rural setting. It involves various design, planning, and operational strategies to achieve these goals. Now, let's start with my group problem statements. There is a T junction. The main road has 4 lanes, and in the morning, the road is full of heavy vehicles. A few meters away from the main road, the road turns into 2 lanes, and there is a residential area and school nearby. Next, we move on to types of pavement defect. The first one, we have disintegration. So disintegration happens because of loss of binding action. What is binding action? Binding action happens due to internal movement of aggregates in subbase base course layers under the stress applications. The component structures of the layer get disturbed. There is also loss of binding action resulting in low stability and poor load transmitting property of the pavement layer. On the another side, we have cracking. So, what is causing cracking on the pavement? So, basically, it caused by either repeated loading from traffic or via temperature induced cracking. Over time, both types of external factors will cause the surface asphalt layer to crack as well as the subgrade to become weakened in some causes. Next, so what is surface deformation? Surface deformations faulting is the Earth's surface deformation associated with the relative displacement of adjacent parts of the surface crust. Surface fault displacements can occur rapidly during an earthquake. In addition, relatively minor displacements may accumulate gradually over many years as seismic creep. Lastly, let's talk about surface defect. So, what causes surface defect? According to a resource, they are mostly caused by water ingress, freeze, and excessive usage from heavy traffic. Over time, defects such as cracking, edge failure, subsidence, or stress fractures may develop, all of which require specific road maintenance solutions.
For the first, traffic flow optimization. Explore the design, interchange or lane configuration to improve traffic flow and reduce congestion. Number 2, safety enhancements. look into redesign area with high accident rates, incorporating features like better signage, lighting, or update road geometry. And number 3, environmental impact. Consider ways to minimize the environmental impact of the highway, such as noise reduction barriers, green space, or wildlife crossing. And number 4, smart technology integration. Explore incorporating smart technologies like sensors, variable speed limits, or adaptive traffic signal system for a more efficient and responsive highway. And last, user experience. Redesign rest areas, service station, or other amenities to enhance the overall experience for user. And number 1, potholes. Potholes, as we know, is a small bowl-shaped depression in the pavement surface that penetrate in all the way through the asphalt layer down to the base course. And the potholes too are the result of moisture infiltration and usually the end result of untreated alligator cracking. At the same picture, the pavement defect have patches. Patches are usually used to repair pavement defect or to cover a utility trench. And second picture is alligator cracking. As you know, alligator cracking is a load associated structural failure, and the failure can be due to weakness in the surface, base or subgrade, a surface or base that is too thin, poor drainage, or the combination of all three. It often starts in the wheel path as longitudinal cracking and ends up as alligator cracking after severe distress. And second picture, rutting. Rutting results from consolidation or lateral movement of any the pavement layers or the subgrade under traffic. It is caused by insufficient pavement thickness, lack of compaction of the asphalt, stone base or soil, weak asphalt mixes or moisture infiltration.
In conclusion, for traffic engineers, the most important goal is creating and maintaining efficient, safe roadways. Quality roadway design directly impacts vehicle performance and driver comfort, and roads themselves are a key contributor to the development and growth of the economy. Many improvements can be made, such as implementing clear road furnitures, incorporate technologies for real-time data on road conditions, which will enable timely and quickly repairs and enhancing road quality. This is an example of recommendation diagram of redesign of the area.